So, you want to be a gamer on YouTube, huh? What's up, guys? So basically, we're here to talk about how being a gamer on YouTube is actually really difficult. But before we get into that, make sure that you go ahead and follow this little prompt that's happening right here, where it's going to tell you to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell, because obviously that would help me out. So when it comes to being a YouTuber or a YouTube gamer in general, there are a lot of key things and key factors that you need to focus on. So we're gonna go ahead and discuss what you need to think about before you start that channel. When it comes to picking a niche on YouTube that you wanna follow, that you wanna start doing, whether that be gaming or pranks or questionnaires or game shows or anything like that, you have to figure out what's gonna make you different from everybody else. And the fact of the matter is that whenever it comes to YouTube gaming, everybody can have a console, everybody can build a PC, and everybody can play the same games. There are tens of thousands of people playing Warzone right now, tens of thousands of people, maybe let's go back that down, thousands of people playing Halo Infinite, because we know that that's not really doing too well. Tens of thousands of people playing Grand Theft Auto, and a bunch of them are streaming all of these games, and they're playing the games, they're doing the commentary, they're recording, they're doing the same shit that I do. But are they all gonna become popular? Absolutely not. Now, why is that? Well, the reason that they're more than likely not going to become popular is because it is a very saturated market. And if you don't know what saturated market is, you could just do a quick little Google search, but I'll go ahead and spare you the time and say saturated market means there's too many people out there doing the same thing. Even if you were different and more creative and got a big blasting personality like I do and know how to have a voice for a camera and actually look at the camera, doesn't necessarily mean you'll blow up. So that's definitely number one, is having a majorly saturated market, especially in the gaming area of YouTube. The next thing you're going to have to really focus on is the time dedication and financial dedication that comes into it. So you have to set aside time throughout your day to actually record the content that you want to make, edit that content that you created, and then not only when you upload the video to YouTube, you need to be able to create a thoughtful description, not too long but not too short, definitely more than 3 words. Create a thumbnail that's not clickbaity but really gets the point across of what the video is going to be about, and then you need to come up with that golden title of the video that you've just created. Now, for me, on average, it takes a couple hours to create the content, and then it takes maybe about an hour to 2 hours to actually edit the content. The uploading process is pretty easy. Even the editing is not too bad because I'm used to it. It's something I do all the time. I've been editing for years, making content for years, so I know what to do, how to do it, and make it happen, and I've got that thought in my head of what needs to be done and where it needs to be done. But for anybody just starting out, they might do basic J-cuts. What's a J-cut is a jump cut. Jump just means that if there is a gap like I just did right there, you can cut that gap out, close it up to where it makes a nice smooth transition. Then comes the cost. Dude, consoles, first of all, are hard to find. And whenever you do have a console and you're going to pay these exorbitant prices out there, not only that, you're going to pay for the games. You've got to pay for the editing software unless you get something free, and something free is not necessarily going to be the best. And it doesn't matter. You don't have to have the best, most expensive software out there. You just need to have something that can do what you need to do. There's a lot of people out there like Whistling Diesel who basically makes most of their videos with an iPhone and then just uploads them from there. He does all the editing and everything like that. And if Whistling, if you're watching this, you're freaking badass, man. Anyway, you didn't see that part. That was a personal moment. So setting aside that time throughout your day, especially the older you get, people may have bills, jobs, families, all of that stuff. To be able to set that time aside and actually make it happen, it takes real effort. Like, I'll let you into my life a little bit. Okay, I have a decent job. I have to work the regular hours. I'm up at the crack ass of dawn and get home right whenever the sun's like, not nighttime. I have children as well. I've got a wife. I've got a whole slew of things that I need to be taken care of. So most of my videos are actually made at night. For example, the video that I'm making for you right now, I'm making it 9:40 at night. That's because I've cleared up my entire schedule throughout the day. I did everything I needed to do, and I'm able to create the content at night for you. So it's that when people get on YouTube and they try to create this gaming channel and they're all gung-ho and they're excited about it, that's awesome. You gotta keep that excitement though. I've been creating this content on this channel for about 10, 11 months now. I'm only about, 600 subscribers, maybe 300,000 views. You can tell I definitely haven't blown up, but I still keep a schedule of uploading every Tuesday and Saturday, every single week. I do not miss my days. I make sure that it's up at the same time on the same days every week. It is effort. You have to put in a ton of effort, ton of thought, time, processing. You have to think about all this stuff before you get into it. So if you're wanting to create a gaming channel and you love what you do, just go ahead and keep doing it. Because the problem with society today is they want that instant gratification. You're not going to get instant gratification on YouTube unless you have a bunch of viral videos that just go crazy and then you grow from there like nothing overnight. But to actually create organic growth and not pay for advertising on YouTube, you've got to put in the time and the effort. There's no such thing as luck. Luck is whenever opportunity and preparedness present themselves together. Everybody has the opportunity to grow on YouTube. The question is, are you prepared to put in the time and effort that it takes to grow? Anyway, guys, that's basically what I'm just trying to tell you, is that growing on YouTube is extremely difficult. It is a slow, painful process, but if you just weather it out, enjoy what you're doing, and just keep putting in that effort, you'll grow. You may not have 25, 30, 40 million subscribers, or damn near 100 million like Mr. Beast, Jesus Christ. But you can start growing that audience that you're looking for, and then just have fun. That's the biggest thing. Have fun doing what you're doing. Every game that I play and I put on here for y'all, I'm genuinely enjoying. I'm probably actually going to go back to downloading the random games and just having the playthroughs of the horror games. I like a little spook every now and then. But listen, guys, for the people that watch this and like it and everything and leave a comment, I love you. I genuinely appreciate you, because what you do watching my content and liking and commenting and subscribing, it helps me and I enjoy it. Seeing those numbers grow builds my excitement a little bit more. Sure, I die a little bit inside every time I see a number go down or I don't hit the numbers that I'm looking for, but at least I'm having fun actually creating the content. It is a very big hobby of mine, and it's very different from where actually my career is and what I do for my career to what I do in my hobbies. Just be you. Put in that effort. I'm always going to be me. I'm going to be a playful little shit that just, has no filter, gets banned on Facebook all the time, and just creates solid content for you guys. This is definitely 100,000 subscriber worthy content. You just haven't found me yet because I get buried under a lot of crap on YouTube. So if you found the video entertaining, that thumbs up button is right there. You won't be able to hit the thumbs. You can hit the thumbs down, but nobody can see it anymore. But also, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. You don't necessarily have to, but I would definitely love it if you became part of the Glassy gang. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on Saturday. I'm gonna go to bed since it's now almost 9:30 at night. I don't even know if you could see that because it was so bright on the camera, but I'm telling you what time it is. So I love you guys. I'm gonna get to work actually editing this video now, and then I'll have it uploaded for you guys because, like I said, keep that consistency going for YouTube. All right, we're done. We're done. Click on one of my other videos or go click on the channel. Now here we're gonna cue the outro.